The Canon R7 Mark II is rapidly becoming one of the most talked about upcoming APS-C cameras in the wildlife and action photography world, and the excitement surrounding it is growing fast because early leaks, insider reports, and industry discussions all point toward a truly significant upgrade that could reshape the mid-range mirrorless landscape for photographers who want professional-level performance without needing to buy extremely expensive full-frame bodies. Wildlife shooters, bird photographers, sports shooters, outdoor creators, and hybrid videographers are especially hyped because the new R7 Mark II appears to combine higher resolution, faster readout speeds, improved autofocus intelligence, upgraded ergonomics, more robust durability, better buffer performance, and modern storage options into a lightweight, affordable package that still benefits from the powerful RF lens ecosystem. The original Canon R7 was already respected for giving shooters impressive action tracking, strong burst performance, great reach thanks to the APS-C crop factor, and excellent detail per pixel. Now Canon seems ready to go beyond that with improvements that feel more like a generational leap than a simple refresh. Rumors suggest the R7 Mark II could feature a brand new approximately 40-megapixel stacked BSI sensor, a major jump from the 32MP sensor of the previous model, offering wildlife photographers significantly more cropping flexibility, a huge advantage when photographing distant birds, shy animals, and fast-moving subjects that rarely let you get close. More resolution combined with a stacked design also means faster sensor readout, drastically reduced rolling shutter distortion, enhanced dynamic range, better low-light performance, and smoother tracking during continuous shooting. Early reports also hint that Canon might remove the mechanical shutter entirely, shifting toward a fully electronic shutter system similar to what they're introducing in their new professional bodies, giving photographers silent shooting, higher durability, and blistering burst speeds while preserving image quality. Autofocus is expected to get a huge boost as well, adopting Canon's newest deep learning subject detection algorithms, with improved animal eye AF, better bird tracking recognition, stronger predictive algorithms for motion, enhanced performance in complex scenes, and increased reliability when subjects move behind leaves, branches, or tall grass, a common challenge for wildlife shooters. Low light focusing around -5 electron volts or better is rumored, which is crucial during early mornings and late evenings when animals are most active. Videographers and hybrid creators are also watching closely because the R7 Mark II is expected to support 8K recording, oversampled 4K, higher bitrate codecs, improved heat management, digital stabilization enhancements, and potentially even raw or high-bit depth options that make it far more capable for documentary work, wildlife filmmaking, and outdoor adventure content creation. With 8K, creators can crop in during editing, stabilize more aggressively, and still maintain crisp detail, effectively extending focal length without losing quality, a massive advantage for tracking unpredictable wildlife. Canon's improved cooling strategies may also allow longer recording times, addressing a common complaint from earlier mid-range bodies. On the physical side, leaks suggest the R7 Mark may adopt ergonomics closer to the Canon R5 Mark II, offering a deeper, more comfortable grip, refined controls, better button placement, a sturdier build, enhanced weather sealing, and a more balanced feel when paired with long telephoto lenses like the RF 100 to 500mm or RF 600mm. Better weather sealing is an especially big deal for wildlife photographers who often work in dusty plains, humid forests, cold mountains, rainy wetlands, or searing deserts. The fully articulating LCD should remain, giving creators more flexibility for low-angle shots, macro wildlife capture, vlogging, and handheld video. Storage is also seeing a meaningful upgrade, with leaks suggesting the addition of CF Express Type B alongside UHS-2 SD, allowing photographers to shoot long bursts without slowdown, record high bitrate 8K video, and maintain fast workflow speeds. A larger buffer is expected, enabling long action sequences such as birds launching, animals sprinting, or predators hunting without missing critical frames. Lens compatibility remains one of Canon's strongest advantages, with access to the entire RF and RFS lineup, coordinated in-body and lens stabilization, and a growing selection of third-party lenses arriving thanks to Canon's expanding licensing program. The APS-C crop factor turns lenses like the RF 100 to 400 mm into a wildlife powerhouse equivalent to 160 to 640 mm, meaning photographers can capture distant subjects without buying extremely expensive super telephoto lenses. When compared to competition, the R7 Mark II looks ready to challenge Fujifilm's high-resolution APS-C models, Sony's compact full-frame bodies, and even some micro Four Thirds wildlife setups, while delivering sharper autofocus, better ergonomics, a broader lens ecosystem, and a more familiar workflow for existing Canon shooters. Expected pricing reportedly falls below the $2,000 mark, positioning it as a dream camera for enthusiasts and a highly capable second body for professionals. Release expectations place the launch sometime in late 2025, likely Q4, aligning with Canon's typical product cycle and allowing time for firmware tuning, field testing, and global distribution preparation. For wildlife photographers, the Canon R7 Mark II represents much more than a normal upgrade. It is shaping up to be a purpose-built tool designed to solve real problems: increased resolution for cropping, silent shooting for skittish animals, fast readout to eliminate wing distortions, intelligent autofocus that recognizes wildlife behavior, rugged durability for unpredictable environments, and video features that match modern content creation needs. Whether you're a seasoned professional capturing rare animal behavior, a hobbyist building a wildlife portfolio, a traveler exploring nature reserves, or a YouTube creator producing wildlife documentaries, the R7 Mark II could deliver the perfect balance of performance, reach, portability, and value. Yes, everything is still based on leaks and speculation, but if Canon truly delivers even a fraction of what is rumored, the R7 Mark II has the potential to dominate the wildlife and action photography market in a way that makes it one of the most important APS-C cameras of the decade.